Hello guys, today I show you how to identify the beech and how to use it as survival food. Beeches can get 50 meters high. One of the most eye-pleasing attributes of the beech tree is its strikingly smooth and sleek bark. Even though the tree can live for centuries, its bark will not naturally flake or split. The color of the bark is also prominent, as it contains hints of light gray, silver and blue instead of the traditional brown shared by many other tree species. The leaves are oval. They have between 5 and 9 pairs of veins. At the end of each vein there is a small tooth on the wavy leaf margin. Young leaves have an almost corrugated or ribbed appearance. The leaves are arranged alternately along the twigs. When the leaves are first formed, they are light green but gradually darken. There are small hairs on the margin and underside of the leaf, but these are lost as the leaf matures. The young leaves are light green and can be eaten raw in spring. It has long pointed buds, which are set at an angle from the twig. They are quite long and sometimes described as copper-colored and cigar-shaped. Young twigs have a slight zigzag appearance. Here you can see the fruits and their capsules. The fruits are triangular nuts, which are 15 to 20 millimeters long and 7 to 10 millimeters wide at the base. There are 2 to 4 nuts in each capsule, maturing in the autumn. They have a white to brown color. These nuts can be eaten raw in little quantities. If you eat too much, then you may get sick. But if you roast them, the tannin and the oxalic acid gets weaker and you're able to eat more of them. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.